In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite accountant to QuickBooks Online. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your QuickBooks Online company with an admin role and have your accountant's work email handy. Accountant access doesn't count toward your regular user limit, and it gives them specialized tools to help you keep your books clean and compliant. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing into the company you want your accountant to access. Once you're in, look to the top right for the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click it to open your company settings and administrative options. If you don't see the gear, try widening your browser window or zooming out slightly. Sometimes it's hidden on smaller screens. From the settings menu, choose Manage Users. This is where you control who can access your QuickBooks and what they can do. On this page, you'll notice two areas, one for regular users and another specifically for accounting firms. Click the Accounting Firms tab. This section is designed just for inviting accountants, which ensures they get the right level of access along with their accountant-specific tools. Next, select the option to invite a user. A simple form will appear. Enter your accountant's email address carefully, since the invitation link is sent there and will expire after a short period. You can add their name to help you identify them later, and if there's a field for it, include a short message so they know this invitation is from you and which company file it applies to. Double-check the spelling of the email to avoid delays. When everything looks good, send the invitation. QuickBooks will confirm that the invite has been sent. Your accountant will receive an email with a secure link to accept and connect to your company. If they don't see it within a few minutes, ask them to check their spam or promotions folder and ensure that your company's email domain isn't being blocked by their mail filter. Once your accountant accepts, they'll appear under the accounting firm section with an active status. From this same area, you can monitor their access, resend an invitation if needed, or remove access later if your engagement ends. If the Accounting Firms tab doesn't appear for you, verify that you're an admin on this company file, or check whether your subscription level and region support accountant invitations. That's it. You've successfully invited your accountant to QuickBooks Online, making collaboration smoother and your bookkeeping more accurate.